Hey, how's it going? This is Lonnie with Playbook Mastery. All right, this is day 5 of my case study of MLGS and Clickbank. So I'm just gonna go through everything. You get basically how this works. You get 100 leads per day, and with those leads you can promote business opportunities online. This is what I'm using it for. I use it for a couple other things too, but mainly this is what I'm using it for from this test. So this particular test, I have 5 accounts that I'm running and testing for this whole setup. So my ultimate goal is to make $300 per week promoting this product. I originally started out at 100, but I'm already kind of seeing some results. So I want to kind of push forward and push that up to $300 per week. So it's going to take some time. That's why this is a big 90-day challenge. One of the biggest and hardest things that I will say is to be consistent in getting the leads out every single day, because with anything else, life gets in its way, and so you want to make sure you're consistent to make things happen. So I'm going to go through a quick little breakdown of this here. Here's what you get from MLGS. You get 100 leads dripped every 24 hours. I don't know why they say that, because you actually have access like 23 hours. So I don't know why they say that, but it's done for you email platform. You make residuals on this. So I like to be upfront. So if you sign up under me, there is a little I get a little kickback of $5. So but it also helps me continue to produce content for you guys and helping you guys along the way. I plan on doing a bunch of other little things while I'm going on in this this test over these 90 days, case study over these 90 days. But so this is really the breakdown right here. You can make $5. Here's one other thing I didn't mention. If you get 5 people that do sign up for this in 1 week, you get a $100 bonus. So that's one of the things I'm trying to get as well, so to help me reach that $300 per week. But here's the thing, I'm gonna go ahead and start breaking into this. So I basically go to Clickbank, and then Clickbank there's a biz op that I picked up. Where is it? So right here. So I'll go to the business marketing, and so this is the number one as of right now. This is the number one job thing that you can promote right now online, and it's working well. So I'm promoting that. And so what I do is I chose that as the product, and I go through here and I pick one of their emails. So I'll pick their subject line and then the body. And here's what I do. That's probably a little bit different. So I'll take that information, I'll put it into ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, it's easy to get. Go to chat.openai.com and you pick up your account there. And so I will have Chat take the information, rewrite me a title that I like. I like to put my titles that have a little something of my personality into it, and then I'll have it rewrite this here, and then I will put my my link. I will put my link, my promotional link from here in that email. So let's go into the section. Oh, kick me out. Let's open it back up. Do this every time. I get to my 5 accounts. There we go. That should work. So look. So basically, I've been kind of running a test too by promoting the same email for the last few days too. What I did was kept the title the same, but I changed the insides of the email every time. So I've been getting some pretty good results, but I'm going to start to push more of the emails to see what I can get out of this. So basically, this is what I would do. I would go here and select all. Take that one that I'm testing. I will put the information in here. Here's another little tip. I created this here little signature line right here. And what the signature line does is it gives you a little more credibility. You know, when somebody sees you, like, oh, it's that guy. And then this one here, I'm about to be starting another channel soon, so I'm already putting the email in there with the with my domain, so I'm going to be working with that. But how I get that is from Signature Hound. You go here. This is a free account. You can build your account right here. You'll take it's super simple. You hit this install, so you'll go get the HTML, because this converts into HTML. You'll put your HTML down here, and then it will show up after. So then after that, you go ahead and then you hit the preferred time, and then you hit the send button. I don't want to do that now because I've already did it and it's not going to go through. So then that's pretty much it when it comes to the email. So back to the last part here, this here. So here's how you kind of help yourself out. So in the beginning, here's what it costs. It costs $30 per account, but in the beginning it's $60. So you pay $60 for the first month and then $30 after that. From what I've seen so far, would advise you to get no more than 5 accounts and kind of grow with it and learn how to use it. Learn how to market your emails first before you go crazy. Because I almost did that myself. So I was like, oh, you just whip out some emails and boom, make money. Well, it's not quite like that. So you got to do a little bit more work. So anyway, with that being said, you use this is what I came up with. I didn't come up with it. This is what I was taught. I saw from some other people. So what they do is what they call link chaining. And this boosts and gives you more accounts. So instead of getting 100 accounts, if I sign up separately for this here, I would get a total of 500, which would be 100 per account. But if you have an email and you link it to the next email, it'll give you, instead of getting that account with 100, it now gets 200. So on and so on and so on and so on, all the way down. So for a week, you can now get 7,000 leads. Next week is 14, and the next week after that 21 and 28. And so you constantly keep building. And like I said, the key to this is to constantly keep emailing over and over and over and over every day. So that's the key to making all of this work. So I'm gonna go ahead. So my thing is, over the weekend I don't post. I do still continue to send out emails, but I just don't do updates over the weekend. So my 90 days will stretch a little bit longer because it's going to be minus 2 days of every week. So here's what happened. So I actually, on the Friday, when the last time I posted, I didn't make any money, but over the weekend I made $17. Sunday didn't make anything. Monday I didn't make any sales either. So I'm gonna ram up some more emails and try to really start pushing and getting everything up and running. So that was what my weekend looked like. So with that being said, I'm just gonna keep on pushing ahead. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one.